Yeah, how is it going, tech guys? I'm Babs, and this is AI Info Tech Channel, where we will deal with what technicality in technology. We educate people on what on how to use softwares, apps, and what and any other word, any other thing that has to do with technology. I got a message by this lady here sending me to make a video about the software. So I would like to recommend this to you. I think this is what she's trying to make me do, to recommend it to my audience. And I believe you guys as have occasions or times whereby you are trying to whereby you are trying to copy a file and you mistakenly delete it, or while you are sending a file you mistakenly stop it and you lost the file, and so many different cases whereby you are trying to there's a file you deleted and you want to recover it, but you want to restore. Maybe it's permanently deleted and you don't have a way of getting it back. I would like to recommend to you Anyrecover. I mean, this software is really great, and I'm going to show you how this works. And you can use it to what to do so many things. But before I go deeply into that, I would like to introduce a software to you that will better your life for what for content creators. There's a new one. It is called VidSnatcher. You might have heard about it before. And this one is how you can use BeatSnatcher as well, or how you can get the link, or how you can buy it. So one last opportunity to boost the way of your video is by using a BeatSnatcher. BeatSnatcher can what get the instant access to 105 highly engaging animated icon. It's still told that what that produced this, the same one that produced woman sentences video. So we have for the animation. If you want to create a good animation, this one is good for you. You can just get it for $17, and what you're good to go. You see, get it instant, and start editing and doing your animations. Unlock a giant library of your animation icon. Easily edit icon properties for customers. So get instant access to newly added icons. Never spend another dime to icon animation. One click, upload your editing timeline. All these features you can just get it for $17. And that is not only that, we have other product that you can use. Maybe you want to do editing, brand new video technology, help entrepreneurs create the perfect online courses, training videos, e-learning videos, and more. By just combining edit, create any video. It's easy for you to watch to easily edit your videos and get it done just for what for $49.9. Get it instantly now, and start editing your video professionally. Okay, I think it has like 8 or 6 there about, but I'll just introduce this three, and you share the rest of the link in the description of this video for you to access yours now. You have the pro editing addition. Instantly unlock royalty-free media library built directly into your VidSnatcher account, and easily insert highly engaging media rich content into your video. So you can use this words to edit your video and do so many other things so easily. It's just for what for $57, then you're good to go. Okay guys, 30 days guarantee, money back is what is secure. So now, okay guys, I said earlier you mainly asked me to make a video on this software, iMyFone. Anyrecover, you can actually use to recover any lost file. Like now I've deleted some file in my on my desktop. Can you even use it to recover your file from your desktop, from your hard drive, external removable devices, even in your partition. You see here, you can actually recover from your crash computer as well. if you have a virtual disk, you can just browse it and will get your stuff back that you have already deleted before. Okay, now how do we go about this? The first step is what, get the software. Get the software, and if you need the license key, you can contact me. I will try my possible best to get it to you, as it is also important for you. So you can just go into the what, into the, you can go to Google and type download Anyrecover. You can even put in the description, check my description below, you will see the what, you see the software. Now how do you go about this? You click on the software. Once you've what, you sign up and all that. So once you do that, you click on desktop, then you start the recovering process. It's very easy to use. Then you wait for it to scan. If you have a lot of file in your desktop, it can take a whole lot of time, depending on the content of your file. I mean your workspace. Okay, can you see that now? I have deleted this before. Woman sentences, channel for Asana, default overlay, images, to more performance. Sorry about that. Secret, yes sister. I've deleted all this before, and I can see it back on my word, on my profile. Can you see it's still loading? All you just need to do is for you to wait and let it scan the necessary thing. Then you can start recovering your files back. I've deleted a lot of files actually. Oh, can you see? I've deleted all these buttons before. I've deleted all these files. I've deleted all these files. All these files I've deleted it before. Okay. Oh. So you can just get back your files with this file folder. I mean with these tools so easily. Um, I like to push a stop because of the time space. Can you see it's scanning deep right now? Quick scan. It's scanning over 1 terabyte of my hard disk. It's a very deep scanning, and it's just in it was 7 point something gig. Oh my god, I will have to what, just stop this easily. Very good. Scan has been well completed. So these are the few ones that I was able to bring out. So what you just need to do is to just click on any icon. Let me use this home sentences photo as an example for you. Okay, I'll just click on recover, and desktop, and then okay. Once I do that, saving data on source partition will reduce the recovery. Are you sure you want to save that? Okay, let me just look for another space. My documents, let me save it to my document. Okay, save. All right, also file. Can you see? Gotten the file back. Okay, can you see here? Yeah, I've already deleted this before, so because well is I have a lot of them eating up my space. Can you see? I've recovered this back now. So that's how you can recover. You can even use it to recover your documents. Should be in case, and it's good on your part. Now I will go back to the I'll go back to the yes. Okay, now you can, normally when you want to recover some files as a way of what eating the recycle bin, and you can just generate them back. I did this with my desktop, and that's how I was able to scan all of my hard disks. Now you can also do it on your recycle bin, like check your recycle bin box, then start scanning your recycle bin, and any deleted file in your recycle bin will come out under the was on this file part. Okay, the scanning as well has been completed. Then you click on OK to look at the files I've deleted so far. Can you see in the recycle bin space? Okay, then you can as well check all. After you check all, then you can be able to recover all this file back so easily. So why should you start stressing yourself? Um, why do you start stressing yourself looking for how you can recover your lost file where there is any recover, which can make which you can use to what to recover any interface of your of your computer, wherever the file may be. So try this now and use it for your good. I'm not going to click on recover because I'm not ready to recover all those files. So I'll go back again and show you another part. Okay, your documents too can be recovered. Maybe your word, you've been typing and you mistakenly deleted the file. Oh my god, that can be so annoying. Seriously, it has happened to me before. So you can just click on start in the document space, then a quick scan will take place. Okay, can you see the videos? Okay, now I think I have something now that I can use to recover my videos. It should be in case I mistakenly delete them. Very good. Okay, I think this software is nice. I'm recommending it, and you guys can just use it for your good to make life a lot easier for you. It's just scanning. Oh, I'm gonna cut this up. Okay, that's that on that. Whatever you think about the software, please kindly let me know in the comment section. And if you're not getting anything, please kindly let me know as well in the comment section, and I will try my possible best to explain to you. And now I know you would like to see more of my videos on anything that has to do with what technology, anything at all, softwares, applications, or you can even use some websites. There are some high profile websites that are very hard to use. I can introduce you. If there's anything you want me to talk about, if there's anything you want me to give you an high opener for it, please don't hesitate to contact me, or what is in this section, in the comment section. Then I'll try my possible best to get back to you, as this lady has done here, and I have done what she requested me to do. Okay, I'm all about attending to my audience needs. I know you find me in my channel, and you contacted me like from the beginning of the chat. If you can see here, I never contacted her. Can you see it? I so they can move it from iPhone.com. Sorry for the stop. I love your video very much. Every video you created is handy and detailed. You do an excellent job, and I met other channels. So yes. And I have done what he asked me to do. I met other channels. So yes, we do want to get cooperate with you, but I know you are serious with your audience as well as collaboration. So I have done what he requested me to do. If you would like to see more of my video, you can click on the subscriber button and click on the notification bell, so you can be the next person to see the first person to see my next video. Thank you and bye bye.